Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on a+students.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter statistics. The lessons we're going to cover today are mean, median, mode, and range. Find the missing number. Calculate mean absolute deviation. Interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 6 math. Chapter we are on right now is statistics. Let's just start with the lesson that is mean, median, mode, and range. Find the missing number. Carey has the following data. If the mean is 6, which number could W be? So you are given the mean of the numbers is 6. You have two options given, W is 8 and W is 4. Let's see if W equals 8. If you add 8, the sum is 28 and 28 divided by 4 is 7. But in the question you are given the mean is 6. So you have to find a number that when added with the other numbers and divided by the 4, the mean is 6. So now try W equals 4. That is 18 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. That is 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So see, when you substituted W equals 4, the mean is 6. That means the mean is 6. So W equals 4. Rook has the following data. If the mod is 9, which number could G be? So you are given the mod is 9. Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So that means 9 is only one time here. That means the other number is also 9. So mod is 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 9. Paul has the following data. If the mean is 12, you are given the mean is 12. What number could V be? You have to see V is which number. So let's suppose if V is 20. 20, 14, 8, 6, 6 and 18. Let's just calculate mean. Add all the numbers divided by sum of the numbers divided by 6, right? The sum is 20 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 18. So the sum of all the numbers is 72. And 72 divided by 6 is 12. So see, when you replaced V with 20, the mean is 12. So that means the correct option is V equals 20. So the correct option is option number 1, that is 20. V could be 12. Brandy has the following data. If the median is 16, what number could D be? So median is the middle number in the data, right? Let's just see if 16 is the middle number. The numbers before median is smaller than 16, 3 and 7 are smaller. And after 16 are greater than after 16 are greater than 16. One of the number is 19, so the other number is D. We have two options, 19 and 7. 7 could not be here, so that means the correct option is 19. Option number 1 is the correct option, that would be 19. Camille has the following data. If the range is 11, what number could T be? Range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number. The greatest number is 20 and the smallest number is 9. Now what could be T? T could be any number, either 19 or 20, because the range is the difference between the greatest and smallest number. So the correct option is 19. Matthew has the following data. If the median is 19, what number could Y be? Median is 19. That is the middle number. The number before the 19 is all the numbers that are smaller than 19. They are 16 and 14. And the numbers after 19 is all the numbers that are greater than 19. So Y could be which number? Either 20 or either 19, right? Let's suppose 28 is. David has the following data. If the mod is 16, what number could M be? Mod is 16. That means 16 have to be appear most of the time in the given data, right? But you can see 16 is only once. The correct option is 16. M equals 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. Travis has the following data. If the mean is 2, what number could G be? The correct option is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Carrie has the following data. If the mean is 6, what number could W be? Let's see if W equals 8. The numbers are 1, 1, 18, and 8. 28. The sum is 28, and 28 divided by 4 is 7. But we are given mean is 6. So then correct option is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is calculate mean absolute deviation. In the data set below, what is the mean absolute deviation? So you need to calculate the mean absolute deviation. How do we calculate? The first thing is you need to calculate the mean. We know that the mean is the sum of all the numbers divided by the total number of values given in the data set. So here you have 9, 6, 1, 7 and 7. You need to add them and divide them by 5 because they are 5 in number. So the mean is 6. Now you have to calculate the mean absolute deviation. You have to subtract every number out of the mean and you have to calculate their absolute value. Then you have to add them and divide them by the number of values. 'Let's just start with the test questions. In the dataset below, what is the mean absolute deviation? So the first thing is you need to calculate the mean. So let's just calculate the mean. You need to add all the given numbers divided by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because they are 6 in number. 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6. That is 30 and they are 6. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now you have to subtract every value out of the mean and calculate the mean, calculate the absolute value. So start with the first one. 1 minus 5, negative 4. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 4, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 5, negative 1. 6 minus 5, 1. You have to calculate their uh, absolute values. They are 4, 0, 1, 3, 1, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. 10. You have to divide them by 6. So 10 divided by 6 equals 1.7. Option number 1 is the correct option. The mean absolute deviation is 1.7. The correct option is 1.7. Option number 1 is the correct option. In the dataset below, what is the mean absolute deviation? In the dataset below, what is the mean absolute deviation? Okay, I will do once again. Just listen to me carefully. The first thing is you need to calculate the mean. Let's just calculate the mean. That is 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 8. Sum of all the values is 42. You have to divide them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to divide them by 7. 42 divided by 7, that is 6. You have to subtract every value given in the dataset out of mean, and then you have to calculate their absolute values. Then you have to add them. 5 minus 6, negative 1. 7 minus 6, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 6, that is 1. 1 minus 6, that is negative 5. 5 minus 6, negative 1. 8 minus 6, 2. I subtracted each value in the dataset out of the mean, and now I'm going to calculate their absolute values, right? Well, absolute values means all the values are positive. 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. You need to add them all. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 it is. Sum of all these values is 14. So that is 14 divided by 6. So 14 divided by 6 equals 2.3. You need to round it to 10. So it would be rounded up to 2.0. The correct option is 2.0. Option number 2 is the correct option. In the dataset below, what is the mean absolute deviation? The first thing is you need to calculate mean. Just add them all divided by 5. 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, that is 5. The mean is 19 divided by 5. That is 3.8. You have to subtract every value out of 3.8. 7 minus 3.8. That is 3.2. 1 minus 3.8. That is 2.8. 3 minus 3.8. That is 0.8. 5 minus 3.8. 3 minus 0.8 is 2.2. Then 5 minus 3.8 is 1.2. Then 3 minus 3.8 is negative 0.8. This one also 3, that is 0.8. So now you have to add them. 3.2, their absolute values are 3.2 plus 2.8 plus 0.8 plus 1.2 plus 0.8. Now let's add them all. 3.2 plus 2.8 plus 0.8 plus 1.2 plus 0.8. So the sum of all the values is 8.8. Divide them by 5. 8.8 divided by 5 is 1.76, and that would be rounded off to 1.8. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is 1.8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. Some friends discussed the size of their coin collections. What is the median of the numbers? You have to calculate the median. Let's just start with the test questions. We'll do the practice questions in the test. Okay, some friends discussed the sign of their sizes of their coins collection. What is the median of the numbers? Median is exactly the middle number. Let's just arrange these numbers from least to greatest. 16, 18, 20, 20, 23, and 23. 16, 18, 22. So the middle number is the median. So the correct option is 20. The members of the cycling club compared how many miles did they bike last week. What is the median of the numbers? The median, you have to arrange them from least to greatest. Whenever you have to calculate the median, you need to arrange all the given numbers from least to greatest. Let's just arrange them: 64, 67, 67, 68, 72, 73, and 76. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to see the middle number, right? Middle median is the one that is exactly the middle number. All the that divides the data into two exactly equal groups. All the numbers before the median are all the numbers that are smaller than 1, and all the numbers that are greater than median that are greater than median. The correct option is 68. The median is 68. Some pizza restaurants compared the pizza sales. What is the range of the numbers? The range is the difference between the smallest and the greatest value in the given data. So the greatest value in the data is 87 and the smallest value is 82. So 87 minus 82 is 5. So the range of the given data set is 5. That is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. From a psychology For a psychology assignment, Carmen kept a sleep log for 5 days. What is the mod of the given numbers? So the mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. Mod is 9. 9 is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. The members of the science club shared how many times they had been to the zoo last year. What is the mean of the numbers? You have to calculate the mean. 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And 14 divided by 7 is because 3 of the numbers are 0. So 14 divided by, okay, where you have 2 times 0, 0, 0. Then you have, okay, the correct option is 4. So we were working on, you can complete the lesson by your own later today. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we were working on is statistics. The lessons we have covered today are mean, median, mode, and range. Find the missing number. Calculate mean absolute deviation. And interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. If you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box for which you need help. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's